What's up everybody? It's your boy Justin with herbal.Lyf.Styl, and I just want to show you what one man can do in 3 days. You guys ready? You guys really ready? All right, let's go. So in 3 days, all the rock was removed from this entire horseshoe area. Holes were dug, trenches were dug. Everything's all set up on this side of the yard. This is all being done in 3 days. Most people cannot work on this kind of level, okay? Most people give up after a few hours of pushing hard labor. We don't. We work so hard at what we do because we want to impress our customers and give them the satisfaction they want. When we say it's going to take 6 days total, we really mean it's going to take 6 days total. Maybe we might get it done in 5. That's how awesome we are of a team. Not only that, we keep adding more work to this job, but we're still gonna get it done. We're still gonna get it done. All right, you guys ready for this? This is the crazy part. So not only did we just trench maybe 100 some feet, 200 some feet over there, it was a lot. We also had to do some dangerous trenching, okay? So over here is where there's gonna be another valve box. We had to go underneath, through here where the pool stuff is. We had K's Plumbing come out and they installed this T-fitting and this new hose bib. We went ahead and got the vacuum pressure breaker installed. We got this trench dug and we got all this dirt broken up. This dirt is so we can get these 2 garden beds re-irrigated. We're gonna have a 3rd garden bed by the time I come back next week, right over there. We're removing this lime tree, that's new. We got everything trenched, I mean, everything. I mean, it's been we're going in the jungles and getting things trenched. If you want a beautiful forest in your yard, if you're trying to get some kind of new irrigation project, or you're just looking for a better system than what you currently have, man, this video is pretty crappy, but I'm tired. But if you can do it, have us come out here and let us take care of you. We want to create something beautiful for you. So if you ended up liking this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to watch more videos, don't forget to subscribe to herbal.Lyf.Styl. If you have any stories or questions, please leave them in the comments below. And if you found this video informational, please share it with at least one friend. This is your boy Justin with herbal.Lyf.Styl. Live your life free and keep on growing.